Welcome to another Outly video tutorial. Let's jump into the water layer today, which can be used for discovering and planning across a variety of outdoor activities. Whether you're interested in locating water sources in the backcountry to refill your supply, identifying wallows that attract wildlife, finding a scenic waterfall for your hike, or making sure you understand the flow rate of a river or stream prior to a float trip, the Outly water layer is here to help. So let's jump right in and run through the main features. In keeping with our other tutorial videos, you'll see a black circle appear around the cursor as I'm clicking or holding down the mouse button or laptop trackpad, so you can follow along as I navigate the map. To get started, I'll enable the water layer. In the layer selection panel, you'll see that Outly identifies various types and sizes of water features, from large bodies of water, such as the lakes, to smaller creeks and wetlands. You can also identify rapids, waterfalls, and springs. Whenever you see features in the selection panel grayed out with a small yellow dot next to them, Outly is indicating that you aren't zoomed in enough to see these smaller features. Simply zoom in on the map and you'll see that they start to appear. As we zoom in on the map, we can immediately start to see the wealth of information about various water sources and locations. Outly also provides near real-time streamflow observations and forecasts. By clicking on the gauge indicator, you can view observations, forecasts, and historical comparisons for the stretch of water you're interested in. The color coding indicates the worst state data compared to the historical norm to give you a quick visual understanding of conditions on that stretch of water. Outly is the only tool that combines streamflow data from the United States Geological Survey and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration gauges in a single location. These measurements are updated hourly. This information is great for understanding how fast and high a water source currently is and what it's forecasted to do. So as you can see, the Outly water layer provides another great source of information for your planning and discovery. Combine the water layer with other layers we've discussed in prior tutorials to get prepared and get outside.